Hey guys, just doing a quick unboxing for you of this Armstrong Submersible Utility Pump. I got it just because I had some pool water that turned really green and I wanted to get it all pumped out of there, so I wanted something strong enough to do it and to not clog up. So here's what we got. Fitting, another fitting, some Teflon tape for your threads, and I'm not sure yet what that is. We'll figure it out on flat cardboard. Warranty and registration card, your manual, and the pump wrapped in plastic. A quick look around. Nice heavy duty cord, seems like a really long cord. And then all of your specs there on the top.